pwede? Ang init sa labas. Ba't ba nandito ka na naman? Makikikapi nga sana ako. Tanghaling tapat. Anong sinisigaw mo dyan? Ewan ko, te. Nadadala na yata ako sa mga eksena sa Final Destination. Ayan, sige. Kapi pa. Alam mo ba, te, yung tickets for Final Destination Bloodlines now on sale. Gusto mo ba noon? Oo, te, alam ko. Help mo muna kaya ako dito. Hala, te.
Alam nyo ba kung gaano kahirap maging Pilipino sa ibang bansa?
Mag-iingat kayo dyan. Kumusta na kaya yung mga anak ko?
It's break time! Let's eat
Ito na
together!
naman.
Hey, my Filipino friend!
What's up?
Come on, let's eat! Come on!
Sige na, kumain ka na kasama nila. Kaya ko naman yun. Makipagkwentuhan ka. Yan ang di ko kaya. Ang hirap. Sino kakwentuhan ko tungkol sa sabong? Sino kakwentuhan ko tungkol sa pagbubukid? Yung chika sa Pilipinas. Hindi naman nila alam yun. Hay nako, buti na lang talaga may tsata. Dito kasi nakahanap ako ng mga friends kong Pinoy. Yung nakakatsikahan ko online through free live broadcast, free video chats, free voice chats, at free message chats. Lahat for free talaga. Nakaka-enjoy talaga to. Limot ko yung pagod paggamit kita. Alam mo yung para ka pa rin nasa Pilipinas kasi ka-chat mo pa rin yung mga friends mong Pinoy dito sa chata. Nasa comment section yun.
Hey bro, who are you talking to?
Bagsak na yung face card mo. Face na ba yan? Wow! Hiyang-hiya. Sorry. Kasi hindi ako makatulog. Kasi stress pa ako kay Crush. Hindi ba pwedeng mag-drop na lang tapos magsama na lang kaming dalawa? Baliw! Alam niyo, ang dami ko na ring tigyawat. Ito si Mark, si Dave, si John Paul. Isisi niyo pa talaga sa mga crush niyo yung pagtubo ng sumpa sa mga fest niyo? Saan ba dapat isisi? Di sa hindi niyo pagtulong. Hindi niyo ako gayahin. Hindi yung puro isip kayo sa mga crush nyo, hindi naman kayo pinapansin. Aray! Di ikaw na yung fresh, siya ka maganda. Siya naman talaga kasi best. Tignan mo nga itong mga itsura natin. Pero don't worry. May gift ako sa inyo. Ito yung Nighty Bright ng New Moon. Mapapaganda niyo yung quality ng sleep nyo. At alam niyo naman, kapag may magandang sleep, may magandang fest. Lalo na, may ashwagandha ito at collagen na pwedeng makatulong sa pag-repair ng skin natin overnight. Kaya super calm lang ng fest. Fresh pa rin kahit stress dahil namamanage ko yan sa tulong ng Nighty Bright. Thank you, Bes. Ano siya pasabog? Grabe, nakakahiya naman. I am so pirate.
Ako po si Neil.
Maantot Fukikov. Ako po si Rika. Short for...
Ricardo Batong-Buhay.
Okay, class. Isa-isa kayo pupunta sa harapan para ipakilala ang inyong mga sarili at ipakita ang inyong mga natatagong talento. Hala, bakit may patalent pa si ma'am? Wala ako nun. Hindi ba pwedeng ganda na lang? Te, wala ka rin nun. Sige na, pwede ka na mag-umpisa.
Ako po si Neil.
Neil Armstrong?
Neil Armfit. Pwede niyo po akong tawagin sa palayo kong Putok.
Nice! Pogi sana. Kaso ang baho naman ng nickname. Ikaw nga dyan, babaho. Nagreklamo ba siya? Mag-talent ka na.
Sige po.
Mukha siyang mahiyain. True.
Puga! Bigyan mo ako ng bait!
Ay,
Ganito pala tong lalo na to! Ay, may amilaway!
nakakatatot.
Uy! Among Us?
Yoko yan. Say, putok.
Hey!
Okay. Next. Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Uy.
My name is Maantot Fukiko from Fukiko family. But you can call me Kifi. Kifi na lang po ang itawag niyo sa akin kasi yun yung nickname ko. Diyos ko, isa pa to. Ang pangit-pangit ang pangalan. Bakit ganun? Buti nga pangalan lang. Ikaw mukha ka talagang Kifi. Aray! Ang talent ko po ay maging si Sleeping Beauty.
Kakaibang talent yun
Naging si Sleeping Beauty raw? Nag-sleep siya! Nag-sleep! Kuhanin niyo na si Maan. Dali niyo sa clinic. Doon niyo patulugin.
Hello!
Princess,
Ako pa pagbubuhatin nila, oh!
Yung mga lalaki
Yung mga
dyan,
lalaki
sabi
naman
nila
dyan,
si
tumulong
Princess.
naman! Gagi, oras na, nakatulog pa! Tulungan niyo daw si Princess!
Pabigat, tulungan niyo naman ako! Si Princess! Susunod! Ayun na, ikaw na, te. Hello, everyone! I am Sopirette 22. 22 na siya? Siya nga, apelido niya yun. Kaibigan ko ba talaga to? Wala po akong talent, pero naka-brace ako.
Wow!
5K ito, pero naka-promo kami, kaya 3K na lang. Yes, galing. I know na fake itong brace ko, pero fashion nga lang, di ba? Kaya yun. Pero yun na nga, ako na rin nag-change rubber. Para tipid naman.
Iba pa yung friend mo, Bianca.
Hindi ko friendly yan, ah.
Sus!
Hindi ko friendly yan. Talent mo pala mag-change rubber na ano? Yes, ma'am. Kasi kamahal, 350 pa change rubber,
Sana all
diba?
ang brace.
Kaya yun. Bye-bye. Love you. Sige. Sana maging dentista ka balang araw. Thank you, ma'am! Over naman sa shout. Susunod. Hello, guys. Ako po si Rika. Rika? For...
Ricardo Batong Buhay. Tigas ng pangalan na, pero bading.
Nako, bating na
Bading,
naman.
bading,
Ang
bading.
dito ba naman? Suwang-suwa na ako sa mga pang-aapi niyo. Wala, lagot kayo. May power siya. Hala, hawak niya ang brilyante. Oh no, isa siyang sangre. Sumula na yung araw. Bakas na kayo. Ako na, ang kikilalanin niyong Kera. Keratin? Takbo na!
It's me, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Kyle, where'd you eat at? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing, bro? What? What are you watching? What are you looking at? Bro, chill out, bro. Oh my fucking god.
Hey yo, people get confused by the sound of your voice because it doesn't match how you look. Check. Oh my god, hi.
Coming out with us tonight.
No, I don't really want to.
Okay, I'm gonna tell the whole school you're a nerd
Wait,
and a
why?
loser.
What?
And I'm gonna tell Natalie not to go to prom with you.
No, okay, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I have a lot of homework
You're so
tonight.
lame now. Fine.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's go.
Okay, class. Bring 1/4 sheet of paper, mag-quiz tayo. Man, 1/4? Ba't may quiz na agad? Di ba wala pa namang discussion? Number 1. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Hala, uy, pwede 1/4. Number 2, sino ang pumatay kay Lapu-Lapu?
Si Aldous yun, tol.
Hindi yung si Aldo, si Laila yun. Number 3 and 4, isolve yung problem sa board. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Bahinging papelo. Ma'am, teka lang! 9 to 10, ano yung full name ko? Ano yung favorite food ko? Ano yung favorite color ko? Okay, class, pass your paper. Finish or not finish? Bakit ganyan si ma'am? Ganyan talaga si ma'am, lalo na pag walang tulog tapos stress. Okay, that's it for today. Do you have any question? Clarification? Suggestion? Ma'am, may suggestion ako. Mag-take ka nitong Nighty Bright. Mapapaganda nito yung quality ng sleep nyo. Lalo't may ashwagandha ito na makatutulong para ma-manage yung stress nyo. Plus collagen na makatutulong para ma-repair yung skin nyo overnight. Ay, naku. Tamang-tama yata sa akin yan. Inyo na po itong isa. Ay, naku, salamat. Dahil dyan, lahat kayo accepted na sa quiz. Yes!
Nagpakahirap pa naman ako sumagot.
Nay, very good ako sa school.
Talaga ba, anak?
Binigyan ako ng plus ng teacher ko. Ako rin kaya may plus. Hindi, ito. Gaya-gaya. Ewan ko sa'yo, nakakainis ka lang. Gaya-gaya ka. Huwag kayong mag-away. Ako rin naman, may plus. Ikaw? May plus? My plus, my plus. I'm counting my plus. Sumayaw siya, sumayaw siya. Ano yun?
Meanwhile.
My plus, I'm counting my plus. My plus, my plus. I'm counting my plus. I'm counting my plus. Keratin plus.
Hi, babe, I'm home.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Just wanted to give you a hug.
No, you know this. We only hug on weekends. We don't touch each other Monday through Friday. You know this. I'm claustrophobic. Don't touch, okay? It's Tuesday.
What? Babe, let's go do something.
Bro, I'm shopping Kalshi right now. Why are you bothering?
You're always on your phone. Can you pay attention to me?
You always want attention. You want attention 24/7. Dude, I just lost because of you. It's all your fault.
I'm hungry. Can we get some food?
Food again? Bro, you're always trying to eat. Like, let's just go to the gym. Here, I have water for you. Just drink on this. Why don't you go hang out with your friends? Oh, I forgot. I'm your only friend, right? You have no friends.
O conselho do dia é: antes de iniciar um projeto, veja se tem recursos disponíveis.
Kyle, look over there.
What? What are you doing? You're grown.
I was trying to tickle you.
Yo, Jason, we're at the vineyard. Do you still want to check it out?
Yeah, sure, whatever. I don't care.
What?
We're already here. Might as well.
Yo, Jason, the vineyard's cool, huh?
I mean, it's cool, but do you actually think I'm annoying, Kyle?
Jason, are we still gonna eat after this?
No, bro. Like,
What?
I'm annoying, right? Like, am I actually annoying to you?
Bro.
I should just go home and be annoying. You could be real and tell me if I'm annoying. Cause
Bro.
I'm annoying, right?
Dude.
Yeah, I'm going home.
Yo, I'm sorry, Jason. Did I hurt your feelings earlier?
No, it's okay, Kyle. Like, I was just being sensitive. Am I really annoying though?
Nakakapagod. Double kill. Triple kill. Yabang. Pentakill. Boom. talaga ni Bunso. Tara, duwo tayo.
Hala! Naglalaro ka rin nito, Nay?
Aba, oo naman. Mas magaling pa nga ako dyan sa ate mo.
Oh, wow! Tuwang-tuwa! Tingnan na lang natin kung matuwa ka pa, Nay, kapag nalaman nung ginawang Flowborn avatar ni Bebeng yung pangit mong picture.
Welcome to Honor of Kings.
Nay! Tingnan mo tong ginawa ni Bebeng! Oy!
Parang ako nga yan ah.
Ikaw talaga, Nay! Yung pangit mong picture, ginawang Flowborn avatar ni Bebeng!
Totoo ba? Bebeng?
Opo, Nay! Kaya nga swerte ako eh. Lagi akong victory. Kasi ikaw yung Flowborn avatar ko. Ibig sabihin nun, ikaw yung inspiration ko kaya palagi akong panalo.
Galing talaga ng anak ko. Gawin mo rin ako ng Flowborn avatar ko, Nak, no?
Opo naman, Nay! Kayo, try nyo na rin gumawa ng sarili nyong Flowborn avatar sa Honor of Kings!
Ganon na lang yun. Kung makapagsabi ka na pangit yung picture ko. Teka,
Victory!
nasan yung sandok? Nawawala yung sandok.
Ikaw ang siyang salarin. Detective! Nay! Pakakuha mo lang yung sandok eh. Ayan o, hawak mo.
Lasing ka na naman.
Ginawa ito ng salarin para lituhin tayo.
Pinagsasasabi mo. Ikaw, Bebeng, ano na naman ba yung suot mo?
Ay! Detective Conan! Paano mo nahalata? Si Detective Conan kasi nasa Hawk na! Ganda diba? May Detective Conan skin na yung main hero ko si Luban number 7!
Tapos kahit ang skin ni Marco Polo.
OMG! Grabe! Astig ng Honor of Kings! Game na! Let's go!
Lupit niyan. Kukunin ko yung mga yan.
Sana all!
Kyle, the girl you're eating dinner with last night, is that your girlfriend?
Yeah.
You guys are dating?
Yeah. She's good looking, huh?
Ugliest fucking
What?
girl I've ever seen.
What?
Bro, no one else is gonna tell you this but me. I'm just trying to be honest with you.
Bro.
Dude, she's lead but ugly.
Bro, we're about to get
You need
married,
no, you
bro.
need to break it off, break it off.
Bro, I got a promotion for $30 an hour. Let's go!
$30 an hour?
Yeah.
You know you're still broke after taxes?
Bro, what?
Dude, I'm just trying to be honest. I'm a real friend. I just want to be honest with you.
God, what the fuck are you wearing? Bro, you look so ugly.
Bro, change that
Bro,
right now.
what?
Don't change, bro. You're ugly. Bro. Kyle, are you done?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Hey, do I look skinnier though, bro?
Kyle, you're always fat, bro. No
What?
matter how much you run, you look fat as fuck.
Bro,
Stop
what are
running,
you
bro.
saying?
Let's go, bro. I'm hungry.
You want me to stop working out?
Yes, let's
Bro,
go. I'm
you're
hungry.
fat, bro. Why are you so mean to me?
Bro, I'm just being honest with you.
No, you're
I'm a real
not.
friend.
No, you're being mean for no reason, bro.
Sensitive, bro.
Alright, countries, if it were cold outside, what would you wear?
What's cold? I've never heard of it before.
Yeah, same. It must be some kind of new word or something. I would probably wear like a winter jacket, maybe some boots, maybe a hat. Okay, so cold. How cold are we talking? Let's just say negative 11 degrees Celsius, which is about like 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, come on. I thought we were talking cold weather. And maybe like a tank top or something?
Yo, where are we going after this?
I don't know, bro.
Wait, where's your... What?
Kyle, isn't that your crush?
Yo, oh, it is, it
Dude,
is.
haven't you liked this since like second grade?
Yeah, be quiet though, be quiet. Don't make it obvious, don't make it obvious.
Kyle,
Yo, stop! Chicho, stop!
Kyle's saying,
Chicho, stop!
Kyle, did you just make 10K on Kalshi?
Yes, bro, be quiet, stop,
you don't know
bro.
you made 10K
No, I don't
Kalshi.
care, be quiet. Don't make it obvious. Bro, come on,
What's your
dude.
name again?
Jennifer!
Jennifer!
Yo,
Jennifer!
shh!
Mars! May chika ako! Diyos ko!
Bad news yan, no?
Paano mo nalaman?
Eh, ang likot mo eh.
Eto na nga, Mars! Bad deals!
Na naman? Sabi kasi 70% off.
Pero parang may sumpayan siya! Siyang tunay! Kailangan mo bang kumuha ng 1,965 na product para sa 70% off na yan? Eme yan sila! Hay! Buti pa sa McDomat! Walang eme-eme! Zero tricks at 100% legit deal! McDomat! Download mo yung app! Mag-register ka tapos mamili ka na ng mga sulit deals gaya nito! Cheeseburger with medium fries and drink! 111 lang! O kaya, eto one-piece chicken McDo with fries, medium drink at free hot fudge sundae! 175 na lang! Pwede rin itong two-piece golden curry fillet with small fries, small drink at free hot fudge sundae! 175 din! Kapag nakapili ka na sa mga sulit deals na yan, scan mo lang yan sa counter, kiosk o kaya sa drive-thru! Bulbs! May enjoy mo na ang sulit deals ni McDonald's at 11/11 mula November 1 hanggang November 15! Yes! Nga! By the way, Mars, pautang!
Dad, the tooth fairy didn't come last night.
Oh, son, I'm sorry. He's a busy man, though.
Oh, come on, son, don't cry. No! No! What are you doing?
Dapat ready na tayo. Ang aga-aga? Hindi ba nahimik yung mga bibig? Guys! 1, 2! Magkakabot tayo ng lesson. Mag-quiz tayo after. Lesson 1. 1 plus 1. Ate, hindi ako ng papel. Susulat ako. Saglit. Lesson 8. Ganito siya isong. Try niyo yung computer naman sa fast. Birthday pa naman niya. Naiintindihan. Ready na kayo mag-quiz? Hindi kami ready. Alam mo, hindi kami ready. Nakikinig sa akin. Pag sa ibang subject, ang galing-galing nyo, ready kayo. Pag sa math, hindi. Ay, ma'am, ready kami sa math. Sa pagbabalik na, mamakdomat. With 0 tricks and 100% legit deals. Get exclusive deals and freebies like 1 piece golden carrot chicken fillet with egg, rice, and 3 small orange juice. Pati kaya itong double cheeseburger small value meal with free upgrade to medium fries and drink. And dito rin ang Big Mac small value meal with free upgrade to medium fries and drink. Dito lang yun sa McDonald's app mula September 9 to 20. Kaya i-download nyo na. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mom! Thank you, Mom! Sige, kumain muna tayo bago mag-quiz.